All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay, and here we have it as promised, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, the smaller variant for unboxing. I'm going to finish off my review more than likely with this as the primary. I do have the Note 10 Plus as well. I'll give you some side-by-sides in another video. But as you can see here, I picked up another set. I got another set of buds, and this time I got the Gear Sport instead of the other smaller Fit. And to be honest, I didn't know the Fit was that small until actually I put it on my arm. So passed that on to the wife, and we also picked up another one of these in white as well. And I think I posted some pictures of that on Instagram. If not, you'll see them there. But grab the Galaxy Note 10. You know, the specs on here is what is so controversial about this device, and why is it here? Why did they make two variants? This one right here is more than enough for anyone, not just quote unquote regular people and not content creators. I'm a content creator and I'm going to use this as a daily driver. One thing I like about this one though is the feel in hand. I think it's really good. So 6.3 inch 1080p dynamic AMOLED display, 256 gigs onboard storage, 8 gigs of RAM with a 3500 milliamp hour battery, and all the goodies inside. So let's crack it open, take a look at it, and we'll fire it up. So as you can see here in this box, opposed to my black version of this phone, I have white accessories, which I think that is really boss on Samsung's part. For the price that we pay, at least we can get some uniformity, so that's a good thing. So we're going to take a look around the device real quick, and then I'll let you go on your merry way. So as you can see with the white model, you have obviously this nice white back. It's actually pretty nice. Looks like this might show some markings, but I'm going to put something on that. So you got the chrome edges. I knew that going into this, I would have these chrome sides. Not really a fan of it, but it's going to be in a case anyway, so you know how that goes. I will be applying a white stone dome as well. Look for that video. You got your S Pen down here on the bottom, which comes out nice and easy. It's white, which is really nice, and you got that chrome button there with the chrome tip on the back for the S Pen. You got your speaker, your Type-C, your microphone, and up top you have the SIM tray, the 2 ports there. On the front, you have that 6.3 inch dynamic AMOLED display with the camera cut out in the center there. And on the back, you have the same camera system just about as the larger variant, but you don't have the time of flight camera on there. So you get all the goodies here in this one. Now, I honestly like this white version a whole bunch, but more importantly, I like the size of this device. So this is just a quick unboxing of the white version of the Galaxy Note 10, the smaller variant. If you've been following me online, you know that this was on the way. You knew I had already told you it was going to be here, and I was going to be switching to this smaller variant from the big one. Hesitant at first, but here it is. So look for the White Stone Dome video and some other case videos. I've already done a bunch of case videos on this device, but I'll show you what it looks like inside of the Rinky clear case, which is really nice, and some other cases. So white Galaxy Note 10 unboxing on hand with some other goodies, and I will be giving you an updated review or a review on the Gear Sport, because I've actually like I said, my wife has a white version of this watch, and I've been using it and playing with it. It's really nice, so I got my own. So there you have it, folks. Quick unboxing, and I'll see you in another video. Take care, it's your man Jay.